In a lively town filled with noise and rush, there lived a young woman named Geetha. Unlike others who hurried through life, Geetha moved gently, always smiling, always calm, always hopeful. Geetha owned a small bakery at the corner of a narrow street. It wasn't popular. No flashy boards, no online orders, just a small oven, simple shelves, and the smell of freshly baked bread every morning. People often walked past it, choosing bigger bakeries instead. They often said, "Why don't you close this place and do something bigger?" Geetha would simply smile and reply, "This bakery already gives me something big, peace and happiness." What most people didn't know was that Geetha once dreamed of becoming successful in the way the world defines it. She worked in a big company, earned well, and impressed everyone, except herself. Every night she returned home exhausted, unhappy, and empty. Stress, deadlines, and constant pressure had drained her happiness. One day, she realized something important. She was earning money, but losing her joy. So she left that life behind and followed her childhood love, baking. Every morning, Geetha baked with happiness, not pressure. If someone couldn't pay, she still offered a smile and a warm bun. If someone looked sad, she added a little extra sweetness, free of cost. One sunny afternoon, a schoolboy came to her shop with empty pockets and hopeful eyes. "Auntie, can I have a bread?" "But I don't have any money," he said. Geetha smiled softly, packed a bun, and handed it to him. "Happiness is meant to be shared," she said. The boy ran off, smiling like he had won a prize. Slowly, something magical began to happen. People didn't come only for bread. They came to feel good. Some sat quietly, some talked and shared their stories. Some cried, some laughed for the first time in days. One evening, a woman entered the bakery, tears rolling down her face. She had lost her job and her confidence. Geetha handed her a warm cup of milk and said, "Life is like baking. Sometimes things don't rise immediately. That doesn't mean it's ruined." The woman smiled through her tears. Weeks later, a popular food blogger visited the town. Curious about the small crowd around Geetha's shop, she stopped by. She wrote a post titled, "Small Bakery, Big Happiness." Customers increased. Soon, Geetha's little shop became the most loved place in town. But something interesting happened. Geetha didn't change. She didn't expand, didn't raise prices, didn't lose her smile. She stayed the same, calm, kind, grateful. One day, her friend asked her, "Now that your bakery is successful, don't you want to expand?" Geetha looked around her little shop and replied, "I already wake up happy. I sleep peacefully. What more expansion do I need?" She placed a jar full of small notes near the counter, which motivates people and makes them happy. And every person who stepped out of that bakery carried something warm inside. Not just bread, but hope, courage, and a quiet smile. Message of the story: happiness is not the destination, it's the journey. Small beginnings can hold big joy. When your heart is full, life feels lighter.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a magical day.